Hey guys, today we're going to be installing the front bumper shells on this 2009-2014 F-150. We've been waiting a while for these front bumper shells. We've had the rears for about 9 years, so they're finally getting paired together again. So we're going to run through a real quick install instructions with this and hopefully answer any questions that you guys have. To follow along on the written instructions, scan the QR code on the digital instruction sheet and select your model. Included with your digital instructions is a stick of Adhesion Promoter. Keep this close because we'll use it right after our dry fit. With your Adhesion Promoter, you'll also find a strip of blackout tape. We'll be using this later. You'll also need masking or painter's tape and some plastic trim tools. To prep the bumper for the install, clean it and then wipe it down with isopropyl alcohol to remove any soap residues or waxes. Especially focus on the area of the bumper directly in front of your tires. Before attempting the install, perform a dry fit by following the rest of these instructions without applying the promoter or removing the backing to the red tape. This will help you check to make sure you like the fit and the color before your installation is permanent, and it'll also give you some practice so you can have the best result your first try. If you have a color matched product, now would be the time to perform your color check. Instructions on how to perform this check are either attached to your installation instructions or on our website. Take your blackout tape and carefully apply it between the bumper and the plastic trim. Slowly work your way down to ensure the tape is positioned where the plastic trim and the bumper come together. Pick up your Adhesion Promoter stick and press down on the area indicated on the stick to puncture the vial inside. Apply your Adhesion Promoter to all areas where the 3M tape will be touching down. Remember to apply it to the area of the bumper where the edge turns to face the front tires. This should all be done on the entire bumper at once so your Adhesion Promoter doesn't dry out. On the turned edge of the bumper cover, peel back about an inch of the red backing of the 3M tape and use masking tape to hold it in place on the other side. Completely remove the backing to the 3M tape from the rest of the areas. Start by wrapping the edge of the side bumper shell and making your way around to the center. Be sure the tape doesn't touch down until you're satisfied with its positioning. After you're happy with its position, begin putting firm pressure on the areas of the bumper shell where the 3M tape is applied. Now you can remove the backing to the 3M tape you left exposed earlier. Pull the red tab back at a slight downward angle so it peels off smoothly and apply firm pressure as you go. If your model has a protective film, peel it away from the edge that will be overlapped by the center section. Repeat this process on the opposite side of your truck. Completely remove the red backing to all pieces of tape on your center section. First, line up the edges of the center section to make sure you have it properly positioned before the tape touches down. The edges should line up with the indents on the side covers. Use your plastic trim tool to slide the top edge of the cover underneath the upper bumper trim. Do one last check that the positioning is correct before you put firm pressure on the 3M taped areas. Put firm pressure on all areas of the bumper shell that have 3M tape one last time, and then you can remove the protective film. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Hopefully that was an easy install for you. Should have taken you about 15 to 20 minutes from start to finish. If you ran into any issues that weren't addressed in the video, go ahead and give us a call or contact our customer service and we'll help you out as best as we can. If you have any other questions about any of the products that we sell, please contact us as well, and we'll catch you on the next one.